Dear students, you all know that in the last class, we were discussing the chapter number systems. So now let's go for continuing this. And before that, just I would like to share one thing that you all know that yesterday we conducted a parent-teacher meeting. I'm very happy to share that I got very good response from the parent side, and even they have given the valuable suggestions as well. And those are to be implemented in forthcoming days without fail. And second thing, a test was, first weekly test was conducted, and I went through your papers. Very happy to say that many students have written very nicely. I've got good score as well. So please continue the same. Okay, coming to the lesson, number system. Dear students, you all know that in the previous class, we were learning how to express the decimal number in the form of P by Q, whether it may be terminating or non-terminating recurring. With respect to non-terminating recurring, we have two types. One is pure and second one is mixed, right? And we were focusing on expressing pure decimals in the form of P by Q. In that, you have taken an example that is 0.31. And its P by Q form can be written as 3 by 9, right? We followed some steps as well. And its simplified form is 1 by 9. And the second one was, it is 0.27 bar. And its P by Q form can be expressed directly as it is 27 by 99. And its the simplest form is 9 3s are then 9 11s are. So it is possible to write directly like this when in the whole number part, if there is 0, and if it is pure, decimal part is pure. Remember this. Because in the examination, they may give you the question like this. Find the sum of 0.6 bar and 0.3 bar. You'll write like this. Then could you tell how can it be simplified? Could you tell how can it be simplified? Anybody? Yes. Anybody want to tell how to simplify this?
Sir, first we should make it in rational form, sir, in P by Q and then add it, sir.
Okay. Very good. See, we have learned how to express this in P by Q. 0.6 bar can be written directly as 6 by 9. Similarly, 0.3 bar can be expressed directly as 3 by 9. And this is equal to, see the LCM is 9. Then
1 by 1.
6 plus 3. It is 9 by 9 is 1. So in the examination, the applied question can be asked like this. Please do remember, even I'll make you to solve such problems as well. I think we were solving the second problem. In that, 2 sub questions were over, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to take third. So let's go for expressing in P by Q form. It is 0.437 bar. Bar is applicable to 4, 3, and 7. These 3 digits. Wait. Don't go for solving. Arushi, stop writing. Listen to me. Before going to solve this, anybody want to tell its value directly?
437 by 999.
Excellent. Jacknor, you are right. Listen, as it is pure decimal, you can write it directly as 437 by 999. Means when you simplify this or when it is expressed in P by Q form, you have to get this answer. Okay, now let's move on to actual steps. Write with me. It is 0.437 R can be written as 0.437 and so on. You must put dots. If you do not put dot, it becomes terminating. So it is non-terminating. So you must put dots. Next, let us assume the given number as x, y, z, anything. So I take x. Let x is equal to 0.437 and so on. You may call this as equation 1. Next. Could you tell what should be multiplied on either sides?
Thousand.
Thousand.
Very good.
Thousand.
Right. Wait. Shamita T. Ekbote, could you tell why 1000 should be multiplied?
Sir, the bar is on the 3 numbers, so we should multiply it by 1000.
Tell loudly.
So the bar is on the 3 numbers, so we should multiply it by 1000.
See, in the decimal part, in the repeating block, 3 digits are there. So we have to take 3 zeros after 1. It is 1000. If only 1 zero, multiply by 10. 2 digits, 100. 3 digits, 1000. So 3 digits are there. Multiply 1000 on either side. Right? Multiply 1000 on both the sides. On both the sides. Then it is 1000 x is equal to multiply 1000 to this decimal number. As it is 1000.
437.437.
You are right. That's you are right. It is 437.437 and so on. Call it as equation 2. Next, subtract equation 1 in equation. So I'll write equation 1 here. Right now, x is equal to 0.437 and so on. Put dots. And it is equation 1. Let us go for subtracting. Right? Minus sign.
999.
1000x minus 1x.
999x.
No, I expect response only after my question. Okay. Next, you just go for subtracting. Here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Here 7 minus 0. 7, then 3, then 4. 437. Then write x is equal to 437 by 999. See that you got the same. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it possible to simplify? Can we simplify it?
Yes, sir.
By which number we can cancel? Will it come?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So both are co-prime. So you can stop over there only. So write conclusion. Therefore, x is nothing but this number. It is 0.437 bar is equal to 437 by 999. You have to write this step below this. Here I don't have space, so that I have written here only. Over.
Yes,
Finish?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Third question. Third question, it is applied question with respect to this. So far we have learned how to express. We have learned how to express that mixed, pure decimals in the form of P by Q. Based on this, right? Simplify. In that first one, it is right 0.7. Thus 0.3 bar. Find it out. Its value 0.7
10
bar,
by 9, sir.
0.3 bar. 0.7 bar
10 by 9.
7 by 9 plus 0.3
7
bar
by 9.
3
3
bar
by 9.
9. Denominator terms are same. You can write it directly. Denominator 9 as it is. Then numerator also should be written as it is. That is 7 plus 3. That's right. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 by 9. This is the value. Over. Finished?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I'll give you another one. Right. Second sub question. It is 0. Already you are very familiar with this. 27 bar minus 0.23 bar. 0.27 bar minus 0.23 bar.
4 by 99.
Yeah. 0.27 bar as it is minus 0.23 bar as it is. This is the given state. It should be simplified. Manya, ye
27 by 99.
wait. I'm asking. Manya,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. How to express this in P by Q form?
27 by 99.
Very good. Then
23 by 99.
23 by 90. Very good. Mohita Biji. Okay. This is equal. It can be simplified. It's very simple. Denominator terms are same. You write 99 as it is.
4 by
Numerator
99.
write as it is. 27
4 by
by
99.
23. This will be
4 by 99.
4 by 99. Have you copied? Alpet, have you
Yes,
copied?
sir.
Okay. Now, let me go for next one. 4. Dear students, just observe it. Don't copy this. Just observe. I'm taking one number that is 18.48 bar. It was given in the examination. Could you tell what difference do you find this problem and previous problems? Anybody?
Sir, the
Sir,
bar
it's
is on.
outside of the
Whole
point.
number is not 0,
Wait,
sir.
wait. Shreyas is telling. Wait, Shreyas is telling. Let us allow him.
Sir, the bar is on.
Pardon me? Once you tell.
The
Shreyas.
bar is on.
Sir.
Oh,
Whole number is not 0.
very good. In the previous problems, whole number was 0, but here whole number is not 0. Here it is 18. So let us go for expressing such numbers in P by Q. Right. Right. Fourth question. Express the following in P by Q form. It is understood that where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. It may be P by Q form or M by, they may give M by N form, X by Y form. They are all same one. Right. In that first one, it is 18.48 bar. First one, 18.48 bar. Bar is applicable to 4 and 8. Yes, please go on writing with me. You all know that 18.48 bar can be written as 18.48 and so on, because 48 is in the repeating block. Next, put imply symbol. Right. Let us assume that X is equal to 18.4848 and so on. Call it as equation 1. We have assumed the given number as X. Yes, Lavanya PH. No, I think Lavanya PH.
Yes, sir.
What is the next step?
Next, we should multiply 100 on the both sides
Why?
because the bar is on two numbers.
In the repeating block, there are 2 digits. So let us multiply 100 on either sides. Right.
Yeah, collisions of
Multiply 100 on both the sides. Then it will be 100x is equal to, see, as we are multiplying by 100, the decimal comes after 2 digits, that is after 48. Here only 18 as it is, then 48.48 and so on. Call it as equation 2. Hope that you have understood. If
Yes, sir.
now let us subtract equation 1 in equation 2. Right. Equation 1 is X is equal to, it is 18.48 and so on. This is equation 1. Let us subtract this in equation 2. Subtracting 100x minus 1x, it is 99x. Yes, students, please observe this part. Look at them. Here, 0, 4 minus 4, 0, 8 minus 8, 0, 4 minus 4, 0. Just subtract 18 in this number. Here, 8 minus 8, 0, 4 minus 1, 3, here 8, here 1, 1830. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Find x. X is equal to 1830 by 99.
Sir, it can be simplified, sir.
It
Yes,
can be
sir.
simplified by 3, sir.
Yes, sir.
By 3.
By 3, sir.
Wait. Myself only will tell. Just observe. Here, observe numerator. We have the digits 1830. When you add, you'll get 12. Here 9 plus 9, 18. So both are the multiples of 3. Hence, they can be divided by 3. Here I'm writing. This is equal to, it is 3. 3 is on, 3 3 is on. Then here 3, 6 are 18, 3, 1s are 3, then 0. Further, can it be simplified?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Cannot be simplified
Can't be simplified.
because last
They are
number is
different, sir.
0. Last
Last
digit
number
is
is
0,
zero.
sir. Last
like
digit
that.
is 0.
They are co-primes. They are co-primes.
Co-primes.
They are co-primes. So further division is not possible. You may write up to your x. Therefore, write the conclusion. 18.48 bar is equal to 610 by 30. It was given in the examination. You can put double star mark.
Sir, this question is in the form of pure or mixed, sir.
This is pure only. If the repeating block comes from first place only, it is pure. Now, let's move on to taking some problems related to mixed decimals. So let me continue the same number. Let's continue. Right. Second one. Second one is, it is 0.0.235 bar. Please observe the number carefully. Here 0.235 bar. Here bar is applicable to only 3 and 5, not from 2. So what type of recurring decimal it is?
Mixed.
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 Mixed decimal.
It is mixed. So right. Solution 0.235 bar can be written as 0.2. The digits 35. They are in the repeating block, right? 35, 35, and so on. Now assume this number as x, right? Let x is equal to, let x is equal to, right? 0.235, 35, 35, and so on. Call it as equation 1. Dear students, now could you tell what should be multiplied?
100, sir.
100.
100, sir.
100.
1,000.
100, sir.
100, sir.
1,000,
1000.
1,000.
1000.
1000,
If you
sir.
tell
1000, sir.
here,
100, sir.
100, sir.
I don't want any more response. Stop your response. Now listen to. Okay, you have tried your best. I appreciate for that. Now, I have already given you the information that observe the number of digits in the repeating block. If one digit is there, multiply 10. Just 1 minute from parent side. Let's come. No. Problem. It's going as usual. Okay. Okay. Just a
What,
minute.
sir?
Prashant sir,
Yes, sir.
one parent had called me, that is
Ah,
Fahim parent. Fahim.
okay, sir.
It's not connecting.
Sir, automatically it will remove, sir, because it gives 5 times warning to turn on their video. If they are not going to turn on their video, automatically it will remove from the meeting.
No, if it is connected to computer.
Connected computer, sir.
Ah,
Sir, please give them my number,
okay.
class, sir.
Just 1 minute, okay? Dear students, please observe. The repeating block is the number of digits. If 1 digit is there, you should multiply 10 on either sides. 2 digits are there, multiply 100 on either sides. 3 are there, multiply 1000 on either sides. Here, you just observe in the repeating block, we have 2 digits only. So, what must be multiplied?
100.
Into 100.
100.
Such a simple one. So, let us multiply 100 on either side, right? 100 on both the sides. Multiply 100 on both the sides. It is 100 into x is 100x. Now observe carefully. As we are multiplying 100, so we have to take decimal after 2 digits. That is, could you tell after which number?
23.5.
2 and 3. 2 and 3.
23.
2 and 3.
23.35.
0.35.
35. You can continue that. Now, call it as equation 2. Write with me. Next, subtract equation 1 in equation 2. Equation 1 is x is equal to, it is 0.2353535 and so on. Now
99x.
subtract equation 1 in equation 2. 100x minus 1x.
99x.
99x. This is equal to, please observe the word. Here, 5 minus 5, 0.
23.3 by 90.
23.3.
Don't wait. Don't copy. First, listen to me. Whenever I'll be writing, you should copy. 3 minus 3, 0. Next, 5 minus 2 is there. 5 minus 2 is 3. Then decimal and put that as it is. Next, 23 minus 0 is 20. Copy this. 23.3.
Sir, answer 23.3 divided by 99.
Now, this is 99x. Just observe the word and write with me. Here, 23.3 is there. It is terminating. It can be written in P by Q form as 233 by 10. Do you have any doubt writing this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now look at it.
No, sir.
Now transpose 99 to the denominator. We can write x is equal to 233 by 99 into 10, 990. Then can it be simplified?
No, sir.
No. Both
No,
are
sir.
not 5. Either 3 or 9. So That is the final answer. Conclusion. Therefore, 0.235 bar is equal to 233 by 990. Right. Now let's move on to another one. And put star mark for this. It is third one. It was also given in the examination.
For second one,
Put double star mark. Right. It is 0.25621. Bar is applicable only for 6 and 2 digits. Please go on write in between. Here, 0.2562 bar can be written as 0.256262 and so on. Next, let us assume this number as x. Right here. Let x is equal to 0.256262 and so on. You may call it as equation 1. Next, could you tell what should be multiplied?
100.
100.
100.
Sir.
Right, you are right. Multiply 100 on both the sides. The left hand side, 100 into x, it will be 100x. Next, 100 into this number. Mohita Vijay, multiply 100 to this number. How much you'll get? Mohita,
25.62.
Sir,
25.37.
25.62.
5.6262.
others should not tell. Others should not tell. I've given chance to Mohita. It's okay. Nalpet, you tell.
25.6262.
Very good. See, when it is multiplied by 100, that the decimal comes after 2 digits. Here, 25 is there. Right. 25.6262 and so on. Call it as equation 2. Now, subtract equation 1 into, right. X is equal to, it is 0.2562 and so on. Use minus sign.
Sir, video is stuck.
Sir, video is stucking, sir. Yes,
Sir, video is stuck.
So video is stuck.
Yes.
Video
Sir,
is
your
stuck,
voice
sir.
is breaking, sir. Yes, sir, your voice and video is stuck.
Voice is breaking. Video is stuck.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. Everyone, wait a minute. Please be keep silence. Raju sir, continue. Continue, please. Continue. Unmute your audio. Unmute your audio.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sorry.
Okay. Dear students, is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Any problem regarding the screen?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Yes. This step, it is over now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's go for subtracting. Just observe. 2 minus 2, 0. 6 minus 6, 0.
25.37.
Observe. From 2, 5 cannot be subtracted. Follow 1, it becomes 12. 12 minus 5, it is 7.
7.
Next, we have 5 remains. 5 minus 2, this is 3.
3.
Then 5 minus 3,
25.37.
this is 2. 100x minus 1x, it is
99x.
99x. Please copy the same. Copy that. Hope that you have copied.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Let us
sir.
write with me. 99x, that's equal to, here 25.37 is there. It is terminating. Let us write this in P by Q as it is 2537 by
100.
because after decimal we have 2 digits. Next, cross multiply. X is equal to 2537
2,537. 9,900.
9. Is it possible to simplify?
No, sir.
No,
No.
No, sir.
They are not divisible by either 3 or 9. Hence, it is not possible.
It is
Conclude.
co-prime.
Therefore, 0.2562 bar, 0.2562 bar is equal to 2,537 by 9,900. Now let me go for taking another one. Fourth subquotient, and it is also important. Put double star mark. Fourth one, put double star mark. Listen to me. Dear students, so far we have taken the decimal numbers which are mixed, and in these mixed, in the whole number part, 0 was there. Now I am going to take one mixed decimal in which in the whole number part other than 0 will be taken. Right? It is, this is 32.1235 bar. Bar is applicable to only 3 and 5 digits. Start writing with it. Start writing with it. It is 32.1235 digits are being repeated. Right? 35, 35, 35, and so on. I've written it directly. Now, let us say this number as x. Let x is equal to 32.123535 and so on. You may call it as equation 1. What should be multiplied?
100.
100.
100.
Okay, the repeating block we have 2 digits, right? Multiply 100 on both the sides. Then we can write 100 into x is 100x. Now multiply 100 after Which digit you
Three
have to take?
3,212.35.
12.3535, sir.
Okay, okay. After the digit 2, that is after 3,212. Let's take the decimal. 3,212.3535 and so on. Call it as equation 2. Let us subtract equation 1 in equation 2. Equation 1 means x is equal to
3,180.23.
123535 and so on. Right. The minus sign as we are subtracting. Here 100x minus 1x, it is 99x.
99x.
This is equal to. Just observe.
8,000.
Observe. Don't tell the number. Here 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Whereas 5 minus 2, it is 3. And 3 minus 1 is 2. This is equal to, in the whole number part, 2 minus 2 is 0. And from 1, 3 cannot be subtracted. Borrow 1. It becomes 11. 11 minus 3, 8. Here 1 will remain. Next 3 adds it. Have you got same?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
180.23. Now let us write that. 99x is equal to, or it should be written in P by Q form as it is 3,18023 by 100. 3,18,023 by 100. Then find out x is equal to 3,18,023 by cross multiply 99.
9,900.
9,900. Is it possible to cancel?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
no. No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 is not the multiple of either 3 or 9. Hence, it is not possible. So, finally, conclusion can be written like this. Therefore, 32.1235 bar is equal to 3,18,023 bar 9,009. I've given you all possible type of problems in which decimal numbers are to be expressed in P by Q form. So these problems are enough for practicing. You have to do practice as many times as possible. Here, minimum 2 times. Now we are moving to the next type problem. If you copied, we can move on to the next type. Shall we?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Dear students, when I was giving you information regarding real numbers and their decimal expansions, I took the decimal form of some numbers directly. Is it not? Like 1 by 8 as 0.125, 22 by 7 as 3.142857 bar. But some students, actually, they called me and they asked, sir, how to divide 1 by 8? How to divide 22 by 7? So that is basic thing. I thought that you had already practiced. Anyhow, once we shall recall the division with the textbook problem. So right now, I think 5th mail now. 5th question. Right. Find the decimal expansion of 5th one. Find the decimal expansion. Decimal expansion of the following. Decimal expansion of the following. In that first one, I'm taking very simple one as given in the textbook only. It is 7 by 8, which means that we have to divide from the number 8. Observe, division is so simple. Here 7 is divided and 8 is divided. Don't go for writing anything. First observe, 7 should be divided by 8. Is it possible to divide 7?
Sir,
point.
Yes, sir. Point, sir. Take the point.
Divide by
I'm not asking you how to do that. My question is very simple. Can we divide 7 by 8?
No, sir.
no, sir.
No, because dividend is smaller than the divisor. Under such condition, take decimal. That is 0. Then it becomes 70. Now you can write with me. Start writing with me. Now 8 how much are?
8 8s are
8 are. 8 8s are 60.
64.
6 will remain.
6.
Again 6 is smaller than 8. Therefore, let us say 1 0. Become 6.
8 7s are
7s are
56.
56.
4.
4 will remain.
4.
4 is not divisible by 8. Say
0.
0. 5
8
are
5s are 8 5s are 40.
8 5s are 40. Remainder is 0. So conclusion. Therefore, 7 by 8 is equal to 0.875. 0.875. Just observe here. Without division also you can get this number easily. 0.875. Don't go for writing anything. Here 7 by 8 is there. We can write this as 7 into 1 by 8. Is it not? And we also know the value of 1 by 8. Dear students, please do remember values of some known numbers, some familiar numbers like half. What is the value of half?
0.5.
0.5.
Quarter?
0.25.
0.25.
25.
Quarter to 1.
0.7.
0.7.
0.01.
0.75. See,
75.
how such simple numbers are. If 1.5 is there, we write 1.5. 2.5 are there, is there 2.5, like this. 1 by 8, it is 0.125. Don't copy, just observe. It is 0.125. Next, see that 125 sevens are. It's very simple. 100 sevens are 700. 25 sevens are 175. It will be 870. 0 is it. Such a simple one. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Without active division, only you can write the decimal directly. Because you have practiced in your previous classes as well. Now let me go for taking another one. Right. Second, 1 by 7. Just anybody want to tell the value? 1 by 7 directly. Don't divide, directly.
0.1. 0.857. Oh.
0.14285
bar.
Wait, I tell you. Please stop writing. You know the value of 22 by 7? It
Yes,
is
sir.
3.145857. Right?
57. Yes, sir.
22 by 7. It is by 3s are. Just leave 3 remaining. 142857. Its value is 0.142857 bar. You will come to know that by dividing. Yes, start dividing with me. Let us divide 1 by 7. Here, 1 is not divisible, put decimal, take 0. 7 ones are 7. Please write with me. 7 ones are 7, you will get 3. Again, it is not divisible by 7. Take 0, it becomes 30. 7 fours are 28. Yeah, subtract, you will get 2. 2 is less than 7. Take 0, it is 20. 7 twos are 14. 6 will remain. 6 is smaller than 7. Take 0, it is 60. 7 eights are 56. Now 4 will remain. 4 is smaller than 7. Again take 0, it becomes 40. 7 5s are 35. 5 will remain. Again 5 is smaller than 7. Take 0. 7 sevens are 49.
Sir, first number will repeat, sir. Quotient number will repeat once again.
Yeah, after this.
Sir,
After
answer
getting one-
0.142857 bar, sir.
Wait.
Sir,
See,
sir, it
here
will
one.
repeat.
Here we have 1. Then when you take 0, again it becomes 2. Like that. It will be repeating. So we can write it as 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857, 142857, and so on. This can also be written as 0.142857 bar. Observe both the rational numbers. First one is terminating, second one is non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Have you copied?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just listen to it. Please do remember these values as well. One value is 1 by 8 is 0.125. 1 by 7 is 0.142857. Okay. Next, let's move on to sixth one. You have to stop writing.
Sir, don't rub second one. Sir, don't rub second.
No, I'll run. Because I had given you the time. Is it not? Shall we move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dear students, we have already learned how to find out rational numbers between given rational numbers. Could you tell how many rationals are there between two given rational numbers?
Infinite.
Uncountable number of rationals are there. Similarly, can we write irrational numbers between two given rational numbers?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because we have already come to know how to represent irrational numbers on the number line. Could you tell between which two rational numbers the irrational number root 2 lies?
1 and 2.
1
1 and 2.
1 and 2.
Very good.
1 and 2.
Again, between which two rational numbers root 3 lies?
1 and 2,
1
sir.
and 2.
1 and 2.
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Between which two rationals root 5 lies?
2 and
2 and 3.
2
and 3.
2 and 3.
Right? So from these representation also we can come to know that we can write some irrational numbers between given two rational numbers. Now we are going to learn the same. That is, we will find out irrationals between rational numbers. Right? Sixth one. Find any two rationals, irrationals. Any two irrationals between 1/7 and 2/7. 1/7 and 2/7. Please observe them. Don't go for copy. Think Yogesh. Now I'm not rubbing. I'll keep it as it is. As your wish only, I have kept it as it is. And also, it is related to this problem as well. Here we have already got the value of 1/7. It is 0.142857. Is it not? Just observe. You are right. 1/7. They are not asked you to divide 1/7. Just they have asked to find out any two irrationals between 1/7 and 2/7. As Larissa,
Sir, we should multiply.
we can write it directly as 0.142857 bar. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Observe the book. Don't write, I'll give you time for writing. Now you tell, is it possible to write the value of 2/7 directly?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Chetan Raj Jakno. You are?
Kirtan.
Kirtan Raj Jakno. Okay. Only he is telling. Any other student can give the response for the question that is it possible to write the value of 2/7 directly without activity?
Yes, sir.
So 0.2857.
0.2857.
0.2857. But you may be thinking that how is this? Now I'll tell you, don't write. Just observe them. Here 2/7 is there. It can be written as 2 into 1/7. You all know that the value of 1/7, it is 0.142857 bar. Is it not?
Yes.
Now multiply 2 7s are 14. Again, same digits only will come. So here we got 4. Next number is 28571. I'll write that. 0.28571 bar. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Very simple way of
Yes,
writing.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I've written 2/7 as 2 into 1/7. 1/7 value is known. It is 0.142857 bar. Now multiply 2 with these numbers. No need to go for multiplying 2 with all the digits. Only 1 is enough. 2 7s are 14. So 4 will come. Now you just observe. After 4, remaining digits are 2, 8, 5, 7 and 1. I will written the same. 2, 8, 5, 7, 1. Now between these two numbers, we have to find irrational numbers. Look here. We are going to write irrational numbers between these two. Observe 0.142857 bar is less than the irrational number. I take this as Q dash, which is less than 0.285714 bar. That means irrational number should be more than this number and less than this number. Dear students, I told you one of the regular pattern that we can follow to write irrational numbers in decimal form. Do you remember that?
Yes, sir.
Regular pattern to write irrational numbers
Yes, sir.
in decimal form. Example. Look at 3.120, 1200, 123 times 0. Do you remember?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, we remember.
Okay. Similarly, here also let us follow the same pattern. Just look here. As I said, irrational number should be more than this and less than this. I go for taking here only 2 digits. It is 14. Here how much? 2
20.
digits.
28.
Here 14 is there. Here 28 is there. Between 14 and 28, many numbers are there. Right? 15, 16, 17 and so on. Many are there. 15, 16, 17 up to 27. I go for taking any of these numbers. Look here. Here one irrational number. It is 0.150, 1500, 153 times 0 and so on. Is it more than this number?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can check that. Look at here 15, here 14, here 150, here 142, here 1501, here 1420. So this number is
Bigger.
greater than this, and this is also smaller than this. Okay, here 150, here 20, here 150, here 285. Next, another irrational number. Now, anybody want to tell? Jakno?
16 0
Yes.
16 double 16 0 16 double 0
0.160,
1600.
3
1
times
0 triple 0.
How many they have asked?
2.
2. How many can be written?
So
Infinite.
many, sir.
Many infinity.
Infinity circles.
Just I'll ask you one more. Daksh, you tell.
170
170.
1700
Correct?
17300.
Yes. Right. Go on copying up to there. Fahim.
Yes, sir.
Can you give next example other than this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell.
5 point. 13.
13. See that it is. This number will be less than this. Actually, we want irrational number more than this.
Yes, sir.
Then give
18
18.
0
Yes, tell.
1800 18000.
Yes. 180, 1800, 183 times 0, 190, 1900, 19000, or else 191, 1911, 19111. Like this. Plenty of examples can be given. Yes. Conclusion. Therefore, the required irrationals are the required irrationals are. Here we have written 3. You will take any 0.150, 1.00, and so on, and 0.160, 1600, and so on. Finished up?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving to the exercise 1.3. So with respect to 1.3, we have taken all the types of problems. Let's go for solving these problems. It will be much easier. Right. Exercise 1.3. Exercise.
Sir, at last one, what's the required rational are 0.50508? Last, sir. Last one. Number.
Number.
What is that, sir? Can't see. We can't see,
Required.
sir.
The required irrational numbers are 0.
Not, sir. Last one. Last one, sir. Okay,
What
sir.
last one? This is only last one.
Sir, that is not visible. No, can't see, sir. It is small, sir. Too small, sir. It is not. Can't see.
Too small. Okay, I'll tell you just one. 0 point. Here we have written no same numbers only. 150, 1500, and so on. Next one. 0.160, 1600, 16000, and so on. Right. Exercise 1.3 in that. First, write the following in decimal form. Write the following. In decimal form. Write the following in decimal form and say what type of decimal expansion each has. And say what type, nothing but what kind of decimal expansion each has. Now let's go for taking the numbers. They must be written in decimal form. In the first one, it is 36 by 100.
0.36.
Is it necessary to go for dividing 36 by 100?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
Write
sir.
it directly.
0.36.
Directly. 36 by 100 can be written as
0.36.
0.36.
0.36. Okay. Here two digits are there. 36. 2. Therefore, it will be 0.36. Next, we have written in decimal form. First one is over. Say what kind of decimal expansion?
Terminating.
Terminating. Terminating expansion.
Therefore, it has terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansion. Now let's go for taking second. It is 1 by 11. For this, let us go for dividing. You can also write it directly. 1 by 11 can be written as 0.090909 because it is repeating, recurring.
0.09.
Right. Okay. Anyhow, let us divide this. Let us divide 1 by 11. Not divisible. Put decimal, take 0. Becomes 10. Again, it is not divisible. Take 1 0 and here also. It becomes 100. 11 nines are 99. Again, 1 will remain. Not divisible. Take 0. Not divisible. Take 1 more 0. Hope that you have understood. Next, 11 nines are 99. Again, same. So no need to continue. We can write it directly as 1 by 11 is equal to 0.090909. It can be written as 09 bar. Now, could you tell what kind of decimal expansion it has?
Non-terminating recurring.
Non-terminating recurring. Right. Therefore, it has non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Recurring or repeating decimal expansion. Non-terminating recurring decimal expansion.
So division is must, sir.
Huh?
Sir, we should we can write directly or division should be must, sir.
You can write directly if you know the decimal form. Because they have not asked you to divide. What has been asked? Write the following in the decimal form. Just you have to write decimal form. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Just to check your thinking skill, I'm just giving additional, not from the textbook. It was asked in the competitive exam as well. Related to same only. Here, third question. Third question is right. It is 7 by 2 square into 7 raised to the power 1 into 5 square. Hope that you got.
So that is 0.01.
0.01.
0.01.
0.01.
Excellent. Excellent. I expect the same answer from other students as well.
0.01, sir.
So 0.01.
0.01.
Enough.
0.01.
Coulomb.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Could you tell how did you get 0.01?
Sir, 7 in the numerator and the 7 1 to the power in the denominator get cancelled, sir.
Very good.
And 1 remained in the numerator and in the denominator 2 square into 5 square. 2 square is simplified into 4 and 5 square is got 25. 1 by 100. So it finally divides 0.01.
Very good. Very good. You are right. Good boy. Yeah. Now you may write it. It is 7 by 2 square into 7 into 5 square. Here 7 and 7 get cancelled. This is equal to, you can write it directly as 1 by 2 square is 4, 5 square is 25. 25 4s are 100. 1 by 100 can be written as it is 0.01. That's all. Terminating or not terminating recurring? What type of
Terminating.
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 Right. Therefore, it has terminating decimal expansion. It has terminating decimal expansion.
So should we write the third question now?
Oh. No, continue the number only.
No, sir, we'll continue number like this.
Continue now. Okay. Right. It is 4 into 1 by 8. Is it not simple? Will you go for actual division?
No, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
No. Just observe. Yashas and Yatin. No, Yashwant and Yatin. Look here. Can it be written as 4 into is 4 1 by 8 is there?
1 by 2, sir.
Can it be written as
1 by 2.
1 by
1 by 2.
4 on
1
the
by
4
2.
to the eight.
1 by 2. So 0.1 by 2. So that's it will get cancelled.
I'm
1 by 2.
I'm asking you, can it be written in this form 4 into 1 by 8?
No, sir. It should be.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of
Yes,
1 by
sir.
8?
0.125.
0.15.
0.14.
14. 0.14.
0.14.
14.
How did you accept the way of writing?
Sir, it is in mixed fraction. We have to
So
convert
it's
it.
in mixed fraction.
Sir, we have to convert it
We
to
can do.
proper fraction, sir.
4 into 1 by 8. Let us convert this into improper. It is mixed, right? Now let us convert this into improper. How do you write?
8 into
3
4
by
into
8.
1. Plus 1.
8 for the 32 plus 1.
33.
33
1
by 8.
8. It is equal to, it is 8 4s are 32. 1 will remain. It becomes 10. 8 1s are
4.125, sir.
8. 2 will remain 20. 2s are 16. 4 will remain 40. 5s are 4.125.
1 to 5.
Just wait. After this, my another question is, can we write 4 into 1 by 8 as 4 plus 1 by 8?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes, sir.
no.
Yes, sir.
No,
We can
sir.
write.
Yes, sir.
4 whole number, it is fraction. It is not the product of 4 and 1 by 8. Got it? So we can write 4, then 1 by 8 part. It is 4 plus 1 by 8 is 0.125
1 to 5.
and it is 4.125. You can write either like this or like this. Second one will be easier.
Yes, sir.
Now you write. Therefore, it has terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansion.
Sir, now 4 into 1 by 8 ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ?
It is not expressed as the product. I'll clarify you that. Kulambi, it's your doubt, no?
Yes, sir.
Look here. 1 by 8. 1 by 8. 1 by 8. 1 by 8. How many times?
4 times.
4 times. We will write it as 4 into 1 by 8. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
And its value will be 4 ones are 4 twos are 1 by 3. It will be 0.5. This
Yes,
is
sir.
different from this.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ 1/8 ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟು 4 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟು ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ
It
ಹೇಳಿ.
is not applicable for all numbers. No. Of course, for this it comes.
1/7 ಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಸರ್.
ಈಗ ನೀನ್ ಹೇಳೋದು 4 into 1, 4, 1 by 8. Sir, we can write 4 into 1 by 8. Then you are telling that 4 into 0.125. Then after multiplying, you will get how much?
0.6.
0.
It will be 0. Sorry, it will be 0.5. What is it? So
Yes, sir.
it's wrong. Hence, it should be written either like this or like this. Next, another one. Fifth one. 3 by 13. 3 by 13. What type it is? What type of decimal expansion it has?
Non-terminating.
Non-terminating
Non-terminating.
Non-terminating recurring. I'm only talking to give that response quickly. By observing the denominator. 13 is there. It is not in the form 2 raised to the power m or 5 raised to the power n. Therefore, it has non-terminating recurring. Right. But it should be expressed in decimal form. Let us divide 3 by 13. 3 is not divisible. Hence, put decimal, take 0, it becomes 13. 13 twos are 26. 4 will remain. Again, not divisible. Take 0. It becomes 40. 13 threes are 39. 1 will remain. It becomes 10. It's not possible. You may take 0. 0. Now you tell. But in how much?
7.
7.
It is 91. Then you get 9. Take 0.
13, 6. 13, 6.
How much?
6.
6.
6. Here we have 90. 6.
78.
78.
78. You will get
12.
0. Now you tell.
13 9s.
117. 117. 3.
Again, it has started from 3.
First.
Can we say that it gets repeated after the digit 9?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Sir.
let us write it. It is 3 by 13 is equal to, right, 0.230769 bar. You must show the repeating block.
Non-terminating recurring.
Yes, it has non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Therefore, it has non-terminating
Recurring.
non-terminating
Reoccurring.
decimal expansion.
So next is 2 by 11.
You have to do that yourself only. It is just home assignment. This one is 2 by 11. and sixth one is 329 by 400. Listen, don't solve it now. You may stop. Now it is time up. It is just given for homework. While coming to the next class, you have to complete this and come. Both are
Okay,
very
sir.
simple only.
Okay, sir.
And today, what are the problems we have done? Please do practice them, particularly
Okay, sir.
expressing mixed decimals in the form of p by q. Got it?
Yes,
And
sir.
Yes, sir.
mixed decimals with whole, in which whole number part is other than 0. Please do practice them. And another one is practice writing irrational numbers between two given rational numbers. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So please do practice them without fail today itself. And tomorrow we are going to continue the same chapter. And while coming to the next class, you should get ready with instrument box because we have the construction as well.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So with
Yes,
this,
sir.
shall we stop the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Nice
Thank
day.
you,
Wonderful
sir.
day.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.